we need to talk about your career. Hey there, leaders. This is Dr. Geneva. You've got years of experience under your belt. You're good at what you do. But maybe you're feeling stuck or wondering, is this all there is? Let me tell you something. Your best career move might be just around the corner. And I'm not talking about you jumping ship, although that might be the right move for some of you. I'm talking about reinventing your career right where you are or somewhere new. And I've got 3 power moves to help you do just that. Now today, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of one. It's all about embracing your midlife edge. Here's the deal. Your age isn't holding you back. It's your secret weapon. You've got experience, wisdom, and skills that took decades to build. That's your edge. Quick reality check. Have you ever thought you were too old for a career move? Strike that off your thinking right now. It's not true. Here's one way to leverage your midlife edge. Reframe your narrative. Instead of saying, I've been doing this for 20 years, try, I bring 20 years of insights to today's challenges. See the difference? You're not just experienced, you're bringing solutions to the table. Now, this is just the tip